morning, children. Children, when you are reading some story or reading any text, you must be wondering that in front of few words it is used in front of few words an is used, and at many places the is used. Have you ever thought of ki why is it so? Why different words are used in front of different words? Like why is used, why an is not used everywhere, or why the is not used everywhere. So you must be wondering such things, no? So just to resolve your confusion or your problem, let us start with the topic, that is articles in grammar today. Okay, so we have three articles in our grammar: a, and, the. We have a and the. We have three articles in English. Okay, like here also you can see few words: a ball, a book, an apple, an ice. Why a is not used everywhere, or why an is not used everywhere? Okay, so you will get the answer of this question today. Okay, children, we have 26 letters in our English alphabet, A to Z. We have 26 letters. Out of those 26 letters, these 5, A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. Okay, these are called vowels, and the rest 21, these are called consonants. Okay, so the words which start with the vowel or with the vowel sound, like apple, ice cream. So these words are starting with a vowel or a vowel sound. There we use article an. Okay, an apple, an ice cream, an engine, right? So the words which start with a vowel or a vowel sound, there we use article an. Okay, next we have 21 consonants. So the words which starts with a consonant or with a consonant sound, like B for a ball, B for a book, okay, P for pen. So B, P, these are consonants. There we use article a. Clear, children? The words which start with the vowel sound or with the vowel, we use the article an, and the words which start with the consonant or a consonant sound, we write article a. Okay, but there are exceptions, children. Like we talk about word hour or honest. In these two words, first letter H is silent. Silent means there's no sound of H. It is written, but while speaking it is not used. Okay, so both these words start with the vowel sound of O or with the vowel O. Okay, hour, honest. So here we use article an. Although the word starts with a consonant, but the consonant in both the cases is silent, and the pronunciation starts with the vowel sound, so we use article an. Next exception is union, university, unicorn. Okay, although the words are starting with the vowel sound or with the vowel, but sound is of year. So the words which start with the sound of year, although first letter is vowel, but it starts with the sound of year, there we use article a union, a university. Same way, 1 rupee coin. Okay, although for one, first letter is a vowel, but the sound is of v. Sound is of a consonant, v. Okay, so we'll write a 1 rupee coin. A 1 rupee coin, not an 1 rupee coin. Okay, so these are the exceptions, children. Keep these words in mind: hour, honest, union, year and ver sound. Okay, so here you have to think and then you have to fill in the article. This was about a and an, and these two articles, a and an, are used for singulars, for single things in front of singulars. Okay, the is an article which is used for singular as well as for plurals. Okay, the, children, is used for all the famous buildings, for particular things which are one in their own kind. Okay, like Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Okay, say the Gateway of India. Okay, for all the famous building, for all the famous rivers, the Nile, the Ganga, right? for all the oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, okay, and for all the holy books like the Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran. So the things which are particular, one of their own kind, there we use the, okay. And for all the heavenly bodies like the sun, the earth, everywhere article the is used. Next very important thing is, children, suppose I give you an example of a sentence. Suppose I write, I have a bag the bag is big. So I'm talking about bag at two places in the same sentence. So when we talk about the same noun at two places in the same sentence, at first place we have used article a for bag, at the second place we have used article the for the same noun, okay. When we are talking about the same thing in the first part of the sentence, there it is general. General means it is common bag, it can be any bag, okay. But when we talk about the same bag and for the second time in the same sentence, that bag becomes particular, special, then we use article the, okay. First time that thing is general, common, so we can use a or an according to the word. But when we talk about the same thing second time in the sentence, that thing becomes special and we use article the over there. Clear? I had an apple. The apple was tasty. Clear? First time normal apple, second time we are talking about the same particular apple which I had. Clear? So that is all for the day, children. Once again, let us have the recap of the class. We were studying about the articles a and the. Article a is used when the word starts with a consonant or with a consonant sound. Article an is used when the word starts with a vowel or with the vowel sound. But there are exceptions like honest, our. Although the words start with consonant but their sound starts with a vowel, so we use article an over there. Same way the words which start with the sound of y and v, although the word starts with a vowel, but still we use article a over there. Then we discussed about article the. The is used for all the particular things like specific things like all the names of the mountains, buildings, okay, holy books, oceans, seas, everywhere, heavenly bodies, the is used. And the is also used when we talk about same noun twice in the sentence. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you.